Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to change directory back to your original working directory in Python. Introduction. Changing directories in Python is a common task when working with files and directories. However, it's essential to be able to return to your original working directory after navigating to a different directory. In this tutorial, we will explore how to change directories in Python using the OS module and then how to return to the original working directory. Prerequisites. Steps to change directory and return to the original working directory. Step 1. Import the OS module. First, you need to import the OS module, which provides functions for working with the operating system, including changing and manipulating directories. Step 2. Get the current working directory. Before changing the directory, you should store your current working directory using the os.getcwd function. This line of code retrieves the current working directory and stores it in the current_directory variable. Step 3. Change to the desired directory. You can use the os.getcwd function to change to the desired directory. Replace desired_directory with the path to the directory you want to navigate to. Step 4. Perform actions in the new directory. Now, you can perform any actions or operations you need in the new directory. Step 5. Return to the original working directory. To return to your original working directory, use the os.getcwd function again and provide the current_directory variable that you stored in step 2. This will change the working directory back to what it was before you entered the new directory. Step 6. Verify the change. To verify that you have returned to your original working directory, you can print it using os.getcwd. Complete example. Conclusion. Changing directories and returning to the original working directory is a crucial task when working with files and directories in Python. The OS module provides a simple and effective way to accomplish this. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can confidently navigate directories in your Python programs and maintain control over your working directory. ChatGPT